Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative periods in human history, the Industrial Revolution. It was a time of unprecedented change, marked by groundbreaking inventions, a shift from agrarian societies to industrial ones, and profound social and economic upheaval. From the steam engine to the factory system, the Industrial Revolution reshaped the world as we know it. But it wasn't just about machines and factories. It was about people, too. The inventors, the workers, the families whose lives were forever changed by this revolution. Over the next few minutes, we'll uncover 5 fascinating facts about the Industrial Revolution, exploring its origins, its impact, and its lasting legacy on the world today. So why did the Industrial Revolution begin in Britain? Well, it wasn't just one thing, it was a perfect storm of factors. First, Britain had abundant natural resources like coal and iron ore, essential for fueling those new steam-powered machines and building factories. Second, Britain was politically stable, with a government that encouraged innovation and entrepreneurship. Think about it. Would you risk investing your money in a new invention if you thought a revolution might break out tomorrow? And third, Britain's colonial empire provided access to raw materials like cotton from India and markets to sell its manufactured goods. This global reach gave Britain a huge economic advantage. But it wasn't just about resources and politics, it was also about the people. British inventors and entrepreneurs were brimming with new ideas and a drive to succeed. In short, Britain in the late 18th century was a fertile ground for innovation, just waiting for the spark to ignite the Industrial Revolution. Now let's talk about the steam engine, the invention that truly powered the Industrial Revolution. Before the steam engine, factories relied on water wheels for power, which meant they had to be located near rivers. But the steam engine changed everything. It could be built anywhere, and it provided a reliable and powerful source of energy for factories, mines, and mills. But the steam engine's impact went far beyond factories. It revolutionized transportation, too. Steam-powered locomotives pulled trains across vast distances, connecting cities and markets like never before. And let's not forget about steamboats, which could navigate rivers and oceans, opening up new trade routes and shrinking the world. The steam engine wasn't just a machine, it was a symbol of progress, a testament to human ingenuity and a driving force behind the Industrial Revolution. With the rise of factories, people flocked from rural areas to cities in search of work, leading to unprecedented urbanization. Cities swelled with new arrivals, and with them came new challenges. Housing was often cramped and unsanitary, and diseases spread quickly in the crowded conditions. Working conditions in factories were often harsh, with long hours, dangerous machinery, and low wages. But despite the challenges, cities also offered opportunities. People could find work, learn new skills, and participate in a vibrant, if sometimes chaotic, new way of life. The Industrial Revolution transformed not just the physical landscape of cities, but also the social fabric of society. The Industrial Revolution was a hotbed of innovation, with new inventions and technologies emerging at a dizzying pace. Take the spinning jenny, for example. This ingenious machine, invented by James Hargreaves, dramatically increased the speed of spinning thread. Then came the power loom, which mechanized the process of weaving cloth, further boosting textile production. And let's not forget about the telegraph, invented by Samuel Morse, which allowed for near-instantaneous communication over long distances. These inventions, along with countless others, transformed industries, created new jobs, and connected people in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades earlier. The Industrial Revolution was a testament to the power of human ingenuity to reshape the world. The Industrial Revolution wasn't just about machines and factories, it was about people. The rise of factories led to the emergence of a new working class, people who labored long hours in often difficult conditions. This new working class faced challenges, from low wages and job insecurity to unsafe working conditions and a lack of basic rights. The gap between the rich and the poor often widened, leading to social unrest and calls for reform. But the Industrial Revolution also planted the seeds for positive change. Labor unions emerged to fight for workers' rights, and governments enacted reforms to improve working conditions and provide social safety nets. The Industrial Revolution was a time of great upheaval, but it also laid the foundation for many of the social and economic systems we have today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating historical insights. The Industrial Revolution was a period of immense change, shaping the world we live in today. From the cities we inhabit to the technologies we rely on, its legacy is all around us. And while it brought both progress and challenges, understanding the Industrial Revolution is essential for understanding our own world and the forces that continue to shape it.